In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add text behind objects in under a minute using CapCut. So hit that subscribe button and let's begin. Now inside CapCut, I have this footage, which has a statue, and I want to make text appear behind it. So after placing the clip onto the timeline, I'm going to add my text from the text section. Just resize your text and choose your desired font, as well as preset or style, and other attributes of your text. After adjusting the duration of your text as well, choose the original video layer, hold the Alt key, and then drag it above the text layer. This will now create a duplicate clip of the video layer that you just selected. Now click on the top layer, and then at the top right section, click on Remove Background. From here, click on Chroma key, and now you will need to select an area within your video, apart from the object where most of your text is visible. After you have clicked on it, if the text doesn't appear to be perfect, you can increase the intensity underneath the Chroma key slider. Once you have achieved your desired intensity, you can now check your preview. And with this method, you can easily make text appear behind objects on CapCut. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.